passengers, please make sure they have their belongings on them at all times. Any unattended baggage.
How you doing, guys? Chris at Dentless Touch. We have Dave O from Windy City Dent Repair. Been here for about 2 days, and we are going to the second day of the Mobile Tech Expo to buy some tools. So stay tuned.
Hey, this is Bryce Kelly. I'm here with the Dentless Touch crew at the 2019 Mobile Tech Expo. This has to be probably the best turnout I've ever seen. The tools and just the people are absolutely phenomenal here. If you haven't been to one of these, you absolutely have to get your butt down here next year. I know it's going to be even better. The tools and advancements in the industry are just mind-blowing. This is the best time to be a part of it. Thank you, Dentless Touch crew. You guys do a tremendous amount for the industry. And yeah, I'll see you here next year.
How you doing, guys? We're at the Anson PDR booth. Go ahead and enjoy some of the creativity of how they make this booth stand out from the rest. It's one of the best booths I see here. Anson PDR offers a variety of tools for the PDR industry, so go ahead and check them out online. I think it's ansonpdr.com, guys, and enjoy the footage of their booth.
Here with Push Metal Gear. We're here at the Mobile Tech Expo 2019. Visit us at pushmetalgear.com for our selection of push metal gear. We are your source for push metal gear. Thank you so much, Christopher. Jump on Dentless Touch. Follow Chris. He's awesome. Thanks, guys.
guys, I'm Charlie Molina with the PDR Shop. I'm here with Chris with Dentless Touch. You need to check out his podcast. Anywhere you can download podcasts, his workshop. It's fantastic for any level of tech. You're going to learn a lot. We're all going to come together and make this industry great. If you're here at MTE 2019, glad you made it. If you haven't, you're really missing out. Make sure you check it out next time. You can look me up at the PDR Shop on Instagram or on YouTube, the PDR Shop. Thanks a lot, guys.
with A1 Tool, and I just want to thank you so much for coming. We're here at MTE 2019. We are a tool company that is based out of USA, and we have been here such a long time. You will know that we have affordable tools, and just you can trust us. Thank you, Chris, for letting us have a part of this, and please subscribe to his channel, Dentless Touch. Thank you.
It's John with Mobile Tech RX. We are an app-based estimating and invoicing system for mobile technicians. We're here at the 2019 Mobile Tech Expo, rocking and rolling. We hope everybody's having a blast. We hope you enjoy the video, and make sure you like Dentless Touch YouTube page. Make sure you subscribe to that. Check out their website. Go to their YouTube page and subscribe. Don't forget to click and like them on Facebook and Instagram as well.
In storage, you'd lock them like this. When you're actually going to use it, you want to kind of get it where it doesn't lock. So you can see we're already torn up some of these holes. It's designed to fit. This will fit about 90% of the holes. Of course, if you're doing this on the hood, you would be upright and not upside down. So in just like a minute, less than a minute, you can straighten the hole out. Little touch-up paint, and you're good to go.
Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mike Toledo. First of all, if you haven't seen my channel, please go to my YouTube channel at Denttime, and that's also a Facebook and Instagram, Twitter, all that, you name it. But I want to say thanks to Chris for letting me jump on his YouTube channel. We always switch back and forth. Look for our new podcast too, him and I are going to be doing. I'll be on his, he'll be on mine. And my podcast is Denttime PDR. Hey, thanks for coming. If you have not been to Mobile Tech Expo, you guys know, you're hating right now because you wish you would. So I'll see you guys next year. Talk to you later.
that's a wrap for the MTE 2019. Thanks for watching if you made it this far. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you on the next video, guys. Peace.